We're making cookies today, and we're going to start with a butter pecan cake mix. To that, we're going to add 2 eggs. Then we're coming in with a full stick of butter that's been slightly melted already. We're going to finish this up by adding a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans and also a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chip morsels. Gonna give it a quick mix. Then we'll be ready to make our cookies. All right, we're all mixed up. Let's make some cookies. All right, we've got one batch ready. I need a new pan. We got 2 pans of cookies ready for the oven. Our cookies are ready. We're going to let them cool for a little while, then we will give them a try. Our butter pecan cookies are ready for the taste test, and I'm starving. They look good.
They smell good.
They're real good. We added chocolate chips. Recipe didn't call for that, but I think that was a good add. Toasted pecans, butter pecan cookies. They're a winner. Make it.